Hi, welcome to the Data Learning Center. In this video, we'll be discussing what a recipe is. A recipe is just simply a set of instructions the tool uses to know what to scrape. You can also consider it similar to a script, a query, or a template. Essentially, it's just a way for you to communicate with the tool to let it know what to scrape and where it's located on the page. I'll show some quick examples. We'll open up Data. The first thing you'll see is public recipes. These are created by our community and made available for everyone to use. If you don't see any public recipes, you'll have to create a new recipe yourself from your My Recipe tab. Here we have 3 public recipes. We have a search, a URLs, and a detail. We'll go ahead and run the first one, search. So I'll click scrape. And based off of this recipe, you'll see we capture the detail page URL, the name, and the title. However, if you'd like to switch it up and try a different one, let's do the URLs one. As you can see, this recipe is now capturing just the URL and the name. The detail one would be for this individual detail page. So I'll click into that, go back to Data, and now I'll run that preview. Great. For this one, you can see we have the name, email, and so on. And you always have the ability to edit or create your own recipe. This is what gives Data the powerful option to scrape any website. If you have any questions, please email us at support@dataminer.io. Thanks for watching.